I want to talk about the importance of practicing scales. Well, you might have heard that a million times. And yes, it is important to practice scales, but I want to tell you about a danger that comes with it. If you practice a scale a million times with wrong intonation, your ear will get used to the wrong intonation. This actually happened to me. After years of not taking lessons and just practicing on my own, I took a lesson from a person who is a notable violinist whom I respect very much. He told me straight up my intonation is off on this note and that, and I didn't notice right away. I went back home and had to listen to the recordings, and I realized that he was right. Then I realized that I played the note out of tune so many times that I couldn't perceive it as out of tune anymore. This was a big reality check for me. And I'm not the only one here. I've witnessed from years of freelancing that this happens quite a lot among string players. So I highly recommend you do a reality check for yourself sometimes. How? I do that by practicing scales with play-along tracks. You can tune into the play-alongs reference pitches, which is a great way to train your ear. I recommend all my students to practice scales with play-along tracks that I have in this channel. It's all available for free. So please check them out and practice with it and let me know how it goes. Happy playing!